Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this small dresser you see. Now I'm sure you've seen this in a lot of my videos. I found this dresser about 6 years ago outside, and it was just a regular dark brown little dresser. It was in really good condition, and what I did was sand it down and I painted it white and gray. I painted it with chalk paint, so it came out really nice at the time, but now, you know, I'm liking the glass and silver, so what I want to do is paint it silver, and then I'm going to put a mirror on the top, possibly mirror on the sides. I've already done the face with mirrors, and I will show you a before and after picture after I'm done. So right now I'm just going to spray paint the whole thing with the color metallic silver. And we're going to see how that goes, and then we're going to add, after it dries, we're going to add the mirror. So the top doesn't really need to be finished because I'm going to be putting mirror on, so I'm just going to do the edges of that. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours later. I had to go to the store and get some more paint, and then I did sand down some parts because it wasn't coming out well. I'm using Rust-Oleum Bright Coat metallic finish. Okay, so it's getting dark, so I don't want it to get too dark before I do this. I've had to cover up everything because the spray is going everywhere. So now I'm going to put these glasses on. I got these mirrors at a place called the Dollar King. See how big they are for $1 a piece. I don't know if they have a chain of stores, so if you want to possibly order these for $1 a piece, you can look up the Dollar King online. Okay, the next step is going to be to go ahead and put mirrors on the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and just glue them. These are light mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just took them out of the frames. They were in gold frames. They're the largest mirrors that they carry, and they're very light. So I think that I'll be able to just glue them on. I already put E6000 on the back, and now I'm just going to go ahead and glue it with my glue gun. And I gotta do it very fast. Okay, so this is the finished product. Now, it didn't come out quite as perfect as I would have liked it to come out, because it really needed to be sanded, but it came out the best I could get it. So here's the mirrors. It came out really nice. And then the side mirrors, I'm not sure if you can see that. There's the side mirrors. And I really like this spray versus the other can I had. This one makes it high gloss, although it shows up every flaw. You'd have to be really super up close to see the flaws. I think it looks really pretty, and it outweighs any mess ups you see. That's it. It looks really shiny and pretty. So if you did do this, I would definitely say sand down your piece really well. And when you spray, don't overspray. You don't want those drips. And I kept getting fingerprints on it, so make sure that you tape it really well. I kept having to spray it over and over and over in the same spots. I didn't want to have to sand it again, so it still came out really nice. Like I said, it could be better. There's some drips and things on it. But, you know, nothing that can't be redone. So this is it, the final thing. It still looks really nice, and I like the way it looks on the backdrop of these curtains. So that is it. And I thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye-bye.